Hello, wonderful learners. We are going to discuss now the phenomenon of light in which the phase velocity of a wave depends on its frequency, the dispersion of light. White light can be split up to form a spectrum using a prism. This is a block of glass with a triangular cross-section. Light waves are refracted as they enter the glass because they are slowed down. The spectrum is produced because different colors of light travel at different speeds in glass. Red light is slowed down the least by glass and is refracted the least. Violet light is slowed down the most by glass and is refracted the most. The separation of light into different colors is called dispersion. Isaac Newton set out to explain how dispersion happens. It has been suggested that light is colored by passing it through a prism. Newton showed that this was the wrong idea by arranging the spectrum to be passed back through another prism. The colors recombined to form white light again. He concluded that white light is a mixture of all different colors of the spectrum. What happens to the prism to produce a spectrum? In a vacuum, each wavelength of light travels at the same speed. A prism will slow down each wavelength of light at different rates. Red light, which is the longest wavelength and the least energetic, is slowed the least, while the violet light, which is the shortest wavelength and the most energetic, is slowed the most. When wavelengths of light travel at different speeds, they will be visible separately into their individual colors. What is a rainbow? A rainbow is a multicolored arc-shaped phenomenon that can appear in the sky. The colors of a rainbow are produced by the reflection and dispersion of light through water droplets present in the atmosphere. How a rainbow forms. A rainbow is formed when light, which is generally sunlight, passes through water droplets hanging in the atmosphere. The light waves change direction as they pass through the water droplets, resulting in two processes, reflection and refraction. When light reflects off a water droplet, it simply bounces back in the opposite direction from where it originated. When light refracts, it takes a different direction. Some individuals refer to refracted light as bent light waves. A rainbow is formed because white light enters the water droplet where it bends in several different directions. When these bent light waves reach the other side of the water droplet, they reflect back out of the droplet instead of completely traversing the water. Since the white light is separated inside of the water, the refracted light appears as separate colors to the human eye. Have you seen two rainbows at the same time? We call them as double rainbow. A double rainbow occurs when a second rainbow is visible above the principal rainbow. The second rainbow is not as bright as the first. This phenomenon is made possible by double reflection, which causes the color order of the second rainbow to be reversed. Life is like a rainbow. You need both the sun and the rain to make its colors appear. This is Teacher Rose of Woodrose International School. Have a great day.